going back?
He is.
He really wants that fish. Oh, wow. Whoa! Hurry! I think he's trying to get... He's going that way. What? I think he said... Hurry. Hurry! Make him stop. Maybe you can just reel it in like that. Yeah, I see him! He's under the...
Wow.
Whoa! Whoa! You got a big one.
Good job, Afia.
Where should we put him?
Wow.
Oh man.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
That's
God.
a lunker.
What is it?
A lunker.
Is that the name of the fish?
That just means he's big.
Well, what is he?
He's a smallmouth
Can I
bass.
hold him?
Huh?
Can I hold him?
You hold him? Yeah.
Yeah! I don't care if
All right, I'm gonna turn off the camera. We'll do pictures. Oh, let's do video.
Oh, cool.
Can you hold him right there? Just hold him by his lip, just like I am.
Oh, I don't know if she'll want to.
Squeeze it really tight. You gotta hold him like that. That's the way to hold him.
I don't
Oh
want
my
it.
God.